Today, meron tayong 2,000 Toyota Corolla GL manual transmission with around 131,000 kilometers mileage. Ang gamit niyang old oil before this test is a known brand na 5W30, at possible na almost 1 year na hindi napapalitan. So bago tayo mag-oil change, chinek muna natin ang oil quality at vibration levels ng makina gamit ang Oil Quality Checker, decibel meter reading app para makita natin kung gaano ka-smooth o kaingay ang engine condition before replacement. Sa ganitong age ng sasakyan, very important ang oil condition dahil dito nakadepende ang lubrication ng internal engine parts tulad ng piston, camshaft, at crankshaft. Kapag luma na ang oil, usually nawawala na ang viscosity stability at lubrication protection. Resulta nito, mas maingay ang makina, mas mataas ang vibration, mas rough ang engine response at possible mas mabilis ang wear ng internal parts. After draining the old oil, pinalitan natin ng Cartender PS5W40 fully synthetic oil. Then after oil change, inulit natin yung same vibration and decibel testing para makita kung may pagbabago. Usually sa ganitong setup, mapapansin agad, smoother idle, reduced engine noise, mas refined yung andar at less harsh vibration especially on older engines. Hindi ibig sabihin na parang brand new agad ang sasakyan, pero magandang indication ito na mas stable at mas protected ulit ang lubrication system ng engine. For older daily driven vehicles like this Corolla, malaking factor talaga ang tamang oil quality sa long-term engine health.